Bej Baruadev. Thousands of pen in our hand, in your virtue, thousands of poems and articles, novels, tales innumerable, with comedy composition, a journey to the horizon. Of strong nation, rich literature was your slogan, untold as to be. Poured down through your pen approves, ever loving my mother tongue. At the altar of literature language, you dedicated youth and life, and beneath the sun of restless struggle, the glare of gigantic Assamese literature, as a victory crown of Assamese literature and aesthetic attribution, at the base of which your sense of leadership, responsibility, dedication, patriotism and affection. You are literal pioneer that for, and in the sight of World Assembly, the great leader of modern language literature. Assamese, we are not poor. Why shall be poor? To enrich world literature, we too have force and fields, great grandfather. We, the new generation, to promise you the ever-lighting flame of Assamese language literature will be fighting forever.